Hi everybody, welcome to EduTap and also welcome to the Agriculture and Rural Development Current Affairs series that is currently going on for the NABARD grade 2025 examination. And today is part 3 of the April current affairs, and this is going to be the last part. After that we will start off with the May month, alright? And why these current affairs need to be learned? Because all of these are asked in your exam. 7 to 8 marks in your exam, they constitute of the current affairs, which of course includes schemes, reports and the generic current affairs. In these sessions our aim is to let you know weekly what are the generic current affairs in ARD section that is currently going on, and that can help you in the examination. So what are the topics that we are going to cover today? First of all, we are going to look at that Punjab government has started to provide subsidy on BT cotton. Why, how, and how we can utilize this information in our exam, we will look at it. Second is about a new variety of turmeric has been developed by IISR, Indian Institute of Spice Research. We will see what is the name of it, what are the qualities of it. Thirdly, cabinet has approved new sugarcane FRP. So what is FRP? जैसे MSP होता है for 22 crops, similarly for sugarcane we have FRP. So we will understand in detail why FRP is different, how or why it is different from MSP, and what are the current rates that the government has announced. And lastly, EPIDA कुछ initiative they have come up with to boost agriculture export. What are those? We will learn. ठीक है. Starting off first news, Punjab government subsidy on BT cotton seed. So basically, first of all, let's understand that BT cotton, it is a variety. It's a genetically improved cotton variety. ठीक है. For which now government of Punjab, it will provide subsidy. Why? देखो subsidies are provided on the seeds of any crop, so that farmers, they it will be very much affordable for farmers to buy them, and then they can sow that into the field. Now why is this requirement? Because if we talk about in Punjab, the farmers, they are heavily relied on water intensive crops, for example paddy. So what's happening because of this, जो ground level है, जो पंजाब का जो ground water level है, it is decreasing immensely. Means it is decreasing at such a level that now water scarcity is being observed in Punjab. So Punjab government wants that people or the farmers, they switch from such water intensive crops and they should go for other crop options as well. So how they will how the farmers will go to other options? When they find the affordability in that, when they find that if I will sow that crop, so I will in future I will have at least safe secured MSP, so that I can get back what I had invested into the field, right? Currently, because MSP has usually been higher for paddy and wheat, so that's the safest option farmers go for. But now gradually what the government is doing, in fact if you look for the MSP, latest MSP, you would realize that government is now providing more MSP for the lentils, or you can say pulses या दाल आपको बोलना है, in that, so that farmers, they can have the switch from the staple crops to the dal and pulses, because we are heavily dependent on other countries for fulfilling our requirement. And similarly cotton के लिए भी MSP is there. So government wants that if seeds are being provided at subsidized rate, at lesser rate, so farmer, it will get attracted towards it, because anyway it has a safe side MSP that it can get afterwards, minimum support price, and the seeds will also be at the affordable price. ठीक है. कितनी परसेंट सब्सिडी अनाउंस की है? 33% अनाउंस की है. And for this overall cotton cultivation expansion, around 20 crore has been allocated by the government of Punjab. ठीक है. And who are eligible? Each farmer is eligible for subsidy on BT cotton seeds up to 5 acres or 10 seeds packet, like whatever will be the lesser, या तो 5 एकड़ तक के लिए जितने सीड चाहिए, या तो 10 सीड पैकेट तक का क्या है सब्सिडी, 33% सब्सिडी ऑन द कॉस्ट इट विल बी गिवन. ठीक है. अब व्हाट इज दिस बीटी कॉटन, लाइक व्हाई ओनली दिस वन? because see, this is a genetically modified, and what was done in this basically insertion of gene was done of a bacteria. So there is a bacteria with the name Bacillus thuringiensis. ठीक है. So it's a bacteria, and it do what? It attacks on the caterpillars, it attacks on the such pest, such caterpillar and pest which feeds on cotton plant. ठीक है. So what will happen now in this particular cotton, which is named, the variety name is BT cotton, the gene is inserted of this bacteria, and because of which what happens, because of the gene that is introduced of this bacteria, now this plant by itself, it produces such insecticidal protein. Means it develops, or it produces such proteins on which if caterpillars, they feed on any part of the plant, they would die, because whatever the caterpillar eat whatever part of the plant, it would consume everything that is in it, right? So it will also consume the protein that actually kills the insecticide caterpillar, ठीक है, the insect, or you can say the caterpillar या pest आप बोल सकते हो, ठीक है. तो basically what is this BT cotton का क्या concept है? So there was gene that was extracted from a bacteria that is known as Bacillus thuringiensis. That is why it is BT cotton. B stands for your Bacillus thuringiensis, T is thuringiensis. So from the bacteria name only, this BT cotton has been the name has been established, and because of this introduction of gene, the plant in itself, it produces such protein which kills, which produces such toxins, you can say in a way, which produces such toxins which kills the caterpillars of the pest they feed on. ठीक है, जैसे लेपिडोप्टेरा जो क्लास है, उससे बहुत सारे ऐसे पेस्ट है जो इसमें अटैक करते हैं कैटरपिलर्स, उनको मारता है. And now what has happened, some other strains have also been included in some of the, some modifications have also been done, and not only now the lepidoptera species, but some other beetles who belong to coleoptera क्लास या फिर कोई डिप्टेरा क्लास, उनको भी ये मार देता है, ठीक है. तो बट बीटी कॉटन का बेसिक आइडिया ये है, एंड गवर्नमेंट हैज डिसाइडेड टू प्रोवाइड 33% सब्सिडी फॉर इट. सो दैट वाज योर न्यूज 1. नाउ कमिंग टू अनदर न्यूज, इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ स्पाइस रिसर्च, दे हैव recently developed a new light color turmeric variety. Like it will look afterwards like this, the second picture, and the first picture is like when it's growing, okay. So that is your turmeric variety, and what's the name that has been given to it? IISR. How? IISR, it is Indian Institute of Special Spices Research, and the name is Surya. ISSR Surya, and let me tell you, this has been made after 10 years of extensive research. That you really need to understand that research do take time, and with 10 years of intensive research, this variety has been made, and this variety has better aroma than the normal light varieties, and it is also high yielding, which gives 20 to 30% more yield than the existing light color local varieties that are there. Why light color we are emphasizing? Because usually those are much demanded by consumer, because maybe they are pleasant to the eyes or whatever reason. But if you compare one dark color variety and one light color variety, usually that is one that is preferred, okay. And why this research needs to be done? Because देखो, from the same plant, initially if you were getting 100 kg of your turmeric, this is a very mere random example, you cannot get just 100 kg from one plant, okay. But I'm just giving you for an understanding, okay. If you were initially getting 100 kg, but now from the same plant you are getting 120 kg, 130 kg, right? तो वैसे आप चलो नॉर्मल इसको 1-2 किलो से भी आप कह सकते हो, क्योंकि इतना तो नॉर्मल है आपका. अगर मान लो 1 किलो पहले आपका हो रहा है, अब आपका कितना हो जाएगा, 1.2 kg तक आपको मिल जाएगा, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे फ्रॉम द सेम प्लांट नाउ यू हैविंग बेटर यील्ड, एंड दिस इज व्हाट द एम ऑफ द पीपल, एम ऑफ द साइंटिस्ट ऑल्सो, राइट? बिकॉज द पॉपुलेशन इज कंटिन्यूसली इंक्रीजिंग, सो इन द लिमिटेड स्पेस ओनली वी हैव टू get more results out of it. So yeah, beautifully you can incorporate answers like what the scientist community or doing, or how, like agriculture studies, they are helping up with the agriculture. And similar to that, in fact, the Punjab wala bhi you can add to, like how what the government is doing for sustainability in agriculture, because the major aim is ki water intensive paddy cultivation it reduces, right? So you can use it in over there, and in fact you can beautifully incorporate this particular example in any question that is related to farming system or cropping pattern, because this is also catering to that, ठीक है. इसके अलावा yield up to 41 ton per hectare you can get from this particular variety, and curcumin content ranges from 2 to 3%. What is this curcumin content? Basically जो antioxidant या anti-inflammatory properties that is known in turmeric, right? So that is due to the curcumin content. This is the compound that is present which leads to the anti-inflammatory or antioxidant properties of turmeric. So 2 से 3% ज़्यादा होता है, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा है in compared to other light color turmeric variety, ठीक है. So that was your second news. Coming to the third one, and it says cabinet approves new sugarcane FRP. देखो वैसे तो you have 22 crops for which MSP is given, minimum support price, but in sugarcane what happens? First of all, it is a very perishable item. It perishes very easily in comparison to if you have to say wheat or rice, which can sustain for even like a lot of many months, and in maybe a 1 or 1.5 year, right? sugarcane does not happen, it's very perishable, and sugarcane is not something that is directly consumed by the consumer. Sugarcane first, it's as a raw material, first it goes to the sugar mill, and then from mill maybe sugar is made, or some jaggery or other content from sugarcane is made, and then it is sold into the market. So here, because not only the farmers need to be taken care of in case of sugarcane, but the mill workers, the people, the industries that are involved in this processing of sugarcane, even those need to be considered. That is why for sugarcane the separate concept came, but it has similar value that of MSP, that is to provide with minimum support to the farmers and to the mills. तो यहाँ पे FRP यूज होता है, ठीक है, फेयर एंड रेम्यूनरेटिव प्राइस. तो अभी 2025-26 में कितना डिसाइड हुआ है, ₹355 पर क्विंटल फॉर शुगर केन, एंड इट इज 4.41% हायर देन द प्रीवियस सीजन. ठीक है, इसमें बस इतना ध्यान रखना है, और ज्यादा इसमें याद करने की आपको जरूरत नहीं है. कमिंग टू द लास्ट न्यूज फॉर टुडे, एपेडा के कुछ इनिशिएटिव है टू बूस्ट एग्रीकल्चर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इट कंडक्टेड इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश तवांग में एक इंटरनेशनल बायर सेलर मीट हुई थी. एंड द एम ऑफ एपेडा, देखो इट हैज अ फुल फॉर्म, एंड फ्रॉम full form only you will get the idea what is it for. Agriculture and Processed Food Product Export Development Authority. So basically the aim of this authority, or this organization, is to promote the produce that are developed in India, be it agriculture or the process में जैसे bakery items, biscuits, all this, like these are the processed item. ठीक है, to give it a stage at international level so that our export can be increased. ठीक है, तो regarding that, in Arunachal Pradesh, international buyer seller meet was conducted, and there the local products, the regional products, they were they were installed, okay, so that the at international level they can get the recognition. People at international might know, okay, these are some things that exist in Arunachal Pradesh region, and then the market can be expanded. ठीक है, तो GI टैग खामती राइस है. आप इसको एग्जाम में देखो कैसे भी आ सकता है, इस पूरी न्यूज से ये भी आ सकता है कि खामती राइस इज अ GI टैग्ड राइस, बिलोंग्स टू विच स्टेट, तो यू शुड नो अरुणाचल प्रदेश. ठीक है, मैंडरिन ऑरेंजेस, कीवी, एप्पल्स, पर्सिमॉन्स एंड याक चीज, ये सब क्या थे, ये डिस्प्ले में थे. एंड अनदर इनिशिएटिव हैड बीन टेकन बाय अपेडा, सो दैट वाज अ डिफरेंट न्यूज, दैट वाज इंटरनेशनल बायर सेलर मीट इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश. एंड इट्स अ डिफरेंट न्यूज वेयर Bhagwa variety pomegranates, they were exported from Maharashtra to New York, USA for the very first time. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो अपेडा how much it provides the platform for the farmers to go to the international level so that they can actually have fair prices for their products. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे I have added a little bit about APEDA. So it's a statutory body established in 1986 under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and aim is to what, to promote the export and development of agriculture and processed food products that are there in India, to provide them with international platforms so the farmers, they can have better benefits. Now let's do some question and answer and try to see how much actually you retain. How much subsidy has the Punjab government announced on BT cotton hybrid seed? You can pause for a while and read the option, but I think even without reading the option you would know the answer. Option number C, 33% is the correct answer. Second, what is the name of the light colored turmeric variety developed by IISR? Is it IISR light or IISR glow, IISR Swarna, IISR Surya, या IISR Varna? So option number D, Surya, is the right answer. Coming to the next question, what is the newly approved FRP of sugarcane for 25-26? Of course, इसका answer D, option number D, rupees 355 per quintal is the correct answer. Next is, from which of the location was the first commercial sea shipment of Indian pomegranates to USA dispatched? आपका जो भगवा था वहां से, ठीक है, एंड आपका जो अहिल्या नगर ऑफ महाराष्ट्र है वहां से किया गया था. वी हैव जस्ट सीन, and this is a homework question for you all. You tell me that what was the main name for international buyer seller meet organized in Tawang by APEDA and the Arunachal Pradesh government. So that is all in this particular video. For more such videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can get the PDF of this lecture from our Telegram channel. So that is all. Thank you everybody for watching the lecture, and all the very best for your exam. Thank you.